And before we start, guys, so I would like to see your beautiful faces in the camera. Can you open your cam? Can you do that for me? All right. So this is our English webinar. So we're so excited, guys. Right now, no, we're having the powerful momentum in the Philippines. So we're so excited to bring this game is AI all over the world. And I myself, I've been doing this business few months ago, and first I was so excited because when I see the company, it's all about innovation, it's all about AI, blockchain, esports, and it's all about digital assets. That's why when I check this company, and I have no doubt, I dive in and I invite my leaders to do this business. And right now we're so happy, we're so getting a goosebumps because we're having a tremendous results, even if we're just a new one in the Philippines. But our team is so happy and they're having a drive, a momentum. That's why we don't really stop building this business online and offline. So first, guys, I would like to say thank you for everyone here. Thank you so much for supporting our global webinar every Saturday, and to all the leaders in Africa, in the Philippines, all over the world, in Asia. So thank you so much. And I would like to, guys, though, I would like to introduce our speaker for tonight. So of course, he is the best leaders in South Africa, I think, no, South Africa. So Mr. Tabani, he's one of the amazing leaders, and he's very active in Gamis AI. So I would like to introduce him as our speaker for tonight. So Mr. Tabani, Sir Tabani, are you there? Sir Tabani, are you there?
Hi, hi, hi,
Right.
Michael. How are
So
you?
I'm pretty amazing. It's been a whole day since morning. I never stop, and we're having a tremendous sign-ups just for today. So our team generated it six figures of sales as of today, February 1. So Sir Tabani, I would like to give you the floor, right? So guys, please support Mr. Tabani and this very amazing leader from South Africa. Sir Tabani, go ahead, the floor is yours. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so very much, Michael Sultan. You're a great leader yourself. I am welcoming everybody to the call. Please, before we share the screen and start with our presentation, can you type in the location, where are you, on the chat box so that we know we are talking to people of the world, so that we know we are talking to people that are spread are across the globe, so that I see somebody has just said Philippines. I want to see Africa. I want to see somebody said Johannesburg, or somebody said Cape Town. That is in South Africa. I want to see our Philippines. It's always a battle between South Africans and those who reside in Philippines. Um, Somebody said, Philippines, you are most welcome, leaders. If you are joining us for the very first time, grab that can of Coke or grab that coffee, sit back and relax, because we are about to show you how to make money in this new world of fourth industrial revolution. So prior to that, please grab your diary as well so that you can write down the notes after the presentation. Leader Michael will get a chance to answer all the questions that you might have. So, having that said, myself, I am Tabani, all the way from South Africa. I do hope what I'm about to share to you tonight is going to make a lot of sense. Why is that? Because we believe in change, we believe in equipping ourselves, we believe um, in trying and learning new things. This is a chance you can unlearn all your habits that you used to have in network marketing and start learning new things. This is GAMEX presentation, international presentations for that matter. So I believe everybody is going to be working towards achieving the same goal that we are trying to achieve. Thank you so very much for joining. Having that said, let us start doing that. We are unlocking the future with GAMEX AI. I want to confirm with you, Mike, whether I am audible and my screen can easily display. I just want to confirm that
Yes, sir.
before we start.
Absolutely, yes. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so very much. Can I kindly please switch off my cam because somehow it's slowing up my internet. So I will I will switch off my cam and carry on with the screen sharing. I hope that is permissible to you. Um, all right, let's carry on. Our business for today is GameX. Luckily, this came in early last year, and we got a chance to learn about this business before the year end of last year. And we sat down as a team and we thought about it. We said, okay, this is one of the businesses that makes sense in terms of network marketing. Even those who do not network, those who wants to invest their monies, it makes a lot of sense. So we said, okay, let's look at the mission. The company is saying they want to revolutionize the gaming and crypto through advanced, accessible AI solutions. Why they want to do that? They have a AI agents that leverages cutting edge technology to analyze complex data that can adapt to changing market conditions, that will assist users in navigating the dynamic landscapes of gaming and crypto finance. Because the gist of our business is about the gaming and crypto finance. Okay, you're about to learn how that is going to work together. But they want to bridge the gap between innovation and accessibility, where they aim to make the sophisticated AI solutions available to everyone, regardless of their level of expertise. So it means we are going to give in a hands-free opportunity where you can invest your money and do nothing. Let it grow. If you want to withdraw, let it reach the minimum withdrawal and you can start taking. So the company is committed to transparency, integrity, and also continuous improvement. So that is what I like. What is their vision? They want to lead the AI advancement to deliver unparalleled value in gaming crypto. This is not um, a new term in terms of the technology world. If you look at companies like Microsoft, NVIDIA, ChatGPT, AMD, they've already tapped into the AI agents. Why? Because they are more faster and efficient to the network, into the internet world. And also, they have the way of learning how to be model. Right. There's a picture one. Okay. And also, we have the message from the CEO. Our CEO is George Wayne. He is a visionary CEO of GameX, which is known for his drive to revolutionize the gaming and AI, the cryptocurrency industries. With over 5 years of experience in the casino industry, he combines deep gaming knowledge with expertise in blockchain and crypto. His entrepreneurial journey began in cryptocurrency, where he quickly made a name for himself through successful ventures in crypto mining. Right. We all know crypto mining is much more profitable, because if you were to choose between earning or mining, I would choose mining. So, given the chance, so that is why he also made a name for himself, because he was doing mining. So he's driven by a passion to create value and break barriers. Mr. George Waynes is focused on leading GameX AI to global success. His leadership is centered around the belief that with the right mix of technology, vision, and determination, the company can redefine industry standards and deliver these groundbreaking experiences in the gaming and crypto space. Where is the company located? We can talk about the company, but we need to know um, where is the company located. The company is registered in Seychelles, which is a crypto-friendly and tax-efficient jurisdiction. They had launched in Philippines, and also this year they want to launch the marketing office in Dubai. And also they want to target the vicinity of the innovation hubs, where they will also be most likely to expand to Singapore, so that they want to aim into using the broader Asian market penetration. So I believe this is making a statement on its own. This is the certification for GameX, which is quite visible for everybody. If you haven't seen this PDF, you can request it to be sent to you in your group, wherever you are. This is the certificate of incorporation, which is showing the official registration in this jurisdiction of Seychelles, also with the company number and everything. Okay, right. What is the difference between these bots and AI agents? Right, because the AI agents are the bots that have made the evolution. All right, what is the evolution on this? The traditional bots that we were using, including the chatbots, the game cards, all of those, is the one that were lacking flexibility. If I'm saying lacking flexibility, the kind of technology that will still answer you with the same answer that it was giving you last year, December, or last year, January, and it'll still give you the same answer. But if you look at the AI agents, they are always powered by large language models, which are like in model of ChatGPT. They also learn to adapt, which they are also making smarter decisions over time. So it means they learn the language and try and modify themselves to keep up with the standard of their task. Right. This is some of the articles that were drawn from the stories that were shared into crypto space, where one of the crypto hedge funds, the biggest in the game, Pantera, wanted to pour in about 200 million US dollar into the AI because everybody will be using it in the future. If you look at Salesforce and NVIDIA, they also want to co-innovate to define the future of enterprise software with Salesforce, Agentforce, and NVIDIA AI Enterprise Platform. NVIDIA is a much broader company. If you open your laptop and look back at some of the ICs there, they are produced and powered by NVIDIA, which the company has been around in the technology space. So it means they know what they are talking about. Look at the fintech times as well. Skyfire launches universal payment system for AI agents to unlock 46 billion market. Right. This is what we are talking about. The company is introducing these AI agents. One of them is Baccarat Cashback Farming AI, which leverages casino cashback offers using strategic betting. And also they have the Crypto Liquidity Farming AI, which optimizes liquidity provision and identifies arbitrage opportunities in decentralized finance markets. So that is what they do. All right, our company is being owned by someone who's owning also BetSwap. So means that we have the amalgamation of these two companies, and BetSwap is first of its kind to become a successful outlet whereby they are owning an online casino, which allows you to bet using your cryptocurrencies, your likes of Bitcoin, USDT, whatever currency that you are holding. All right. So how does the system will work? Into that online casino and gambling, there would be these AI agents that will be making money for the company and also me and you. So, for instance, in this, when the AI places the controlled bet at the casino A to accumulate back at casino B, the AI will use the martingale strategy to recover losses and generate profits. Cashback from casino A will turn losses into profit. So if you look at this, this is one of the best strategy that have created by GAMEX, because they know how to make sense in terms of making money. So why is cashback farming works? Because of their speed and precision. They know how to directly do the thing and do it correctly. So They execute complex strategies faster than humans. That is always a best reason for us to use the AI agents, because we are human. We have feelings, we have commitments, we have the problem of time management, all of that. But if you choose the system to do this for you, it will be doing it and performing it much more faster. The risk management, where they adjust betting strategies in real time, and also the cashback optimization, where the AI will calculate optimum betting amount to maximize cashback. That is one of the reasons I said, okay, if I'm not going to be the one who's always setting the stop loss, doing that into the market, okay, let the company do that, because they have the AI agents to do that for me. How they make money, I'm not even interested. I'm just reading that because I know I have to know this part. Because of the business plan that they produced, I said I am diving in. Okay. The power of cashback arbitrage, where the Baccarat cashback farming AI is being analyzed. Okay, for instance, in that casino dynamics that we spoke about, Casino A, when they say they offers 20% cashback on losses, where else the Casino B allows strategic betting system without cashback. So in this instance, the AI will always calculate the losing bet at Casino A to maximize cashback, while strategically wins at Casino B to recover losses and ensure profits. That is what make us wake up every morning, is to make profit. If you are not making profit in your business, it means it doesn't make sense. All right, let's look at this. For instance, this is a image of arbitraging, which is a triangular arbitrage. For instance, you afford yourself 1,000 worth of USDT, and you can easily buy Ethereum and quickly change it to DAI. But if you see that there is a gap for profit as well, you can quickly change it or exchange it to USDT. But tell you what, if you are doing this on your own, you're not gonna win. You can do arbitrage personally and manually, but the time it will take, the information, the data, everything, the stress, all of that, rather, let it be done by GameX. That is why I said I'm gonna give them the chance to perform on my behalf. And so far, I'm not complaining. All right. So crypto liquidity farming, where the AI strategy, it scans the whole market for arbitrage opportunities and dynamically adjust liquidity position. What is the benefit of this? If I'm not going to be the one doing this, it generates consistent returns into this volatile decentralized finance market. How does that happen? Because the system will always go in and out, make profit and out. In a minute, it can go up to 8 times doing the same thing, but I can take the whole day trying to execute one transaction. That is why I'm saying these AI agents are much more better and safer than a human, right? Optimizing crypto liquidity farming. In farming as well, it's almost the same like arbitraging, slight different, but because of their speed and precision as well, risk management, arbitrage, opportunity optimization. The AI calculates optimum amount to maximize arbitrage opportunities. Right. So that is how it works. And then to set the cherry on top of the cake, GameX came with a reward-driven token ecosystem. I said, yes, I finished this PDF standing on my feet when the first time I read this, because normally we are used to the coins that are being forced to us. But this time around, the company is saying, you're going to get this token, but you're going to earn it exclusively through the affiliate program. And also these tokens are going to be minted in proportion to affiliate contributions. So it's going to depend. If you are networking the business, then the company is going to give you a certain proportion to the token. As you work your business, the tokens are being built up in your back office, right? So that's how it works. The token utility and future projects. How will you be exchanging these tokens, right? So tell you what, these tokens are not like those ones when you own the tokens. They will tell you, come now, you need to own 80% of your USDTs, and 20% needs to be in the tokens, right? So what will happen is that the company is saying, if you are networking the business, that is where they're going to give you the tokens. If you are not networking, but only investing, you will get the chance to buy the tokens in the market, right? How to use these tokens? Because at some point, we will need to convert them into equity. The company is planning the Crypto Neo Bank, where you can become a stakeholder in the upcoming banking platform. And also the GameX AI Casino, where you can invest in the casino and participate in profit sharing. And also, you can earn yourself the access in the exclusive benefits by maybe enjoying premium services and special offers within the ecosystem, where you can redeem the tokens for discounts and exclusive events. Okay, the company is also welcoming your ideas to enhance the token utility while they are still searching for more ways to expand these utilities. All right, let's look at this. Also, the company, GameX, is trying to put in place the card, which is more advantageous to everybody. Because when I remember, most countries, they are limited in terms of how they use their crypto. For instance, myself, I live in South Africa. If I do not withdraw up until 6 p.m., it means I will only access my money on Monday. Yes, I can log into my Binance or to my exchanger and access my money, but to be exchanged as to be my domestic rand, I cannot do that until on Monday, on the business day. But guess what? If you are owning the GameX card, it'll mean now I can access my money anytime, because every time I want to use that money, I can just transfer it. Crypto is 24/7. Okay. How are we going to use those tokens, or how are we going to win with those tokens? You can use these tokens to access the banking platform and load crypto on these branded cards. You can also invest tokens for profit sharing and ownership in the casino. Also, there's going to be a GameX marketplace where the platform will have affiliate commission deals, free-to-play games, and exclusive launchpad access. That is what we are looking for. And now, guess what? Look at the roadmap. If I say the roadmap doesn't look anything like the number line, I'd be lying, because you see, if you're looking at 2025 and extend your eyes to your right, it's showing up to 2027. It means there is this year, there is a following year, and there is the following year as well, which is, this is the 3-year plan. You can only see now from the 3 years, but when I got this business, I had to look at the 4 years plan, because I got this in November. It was still 2024. Now let's look at this. The company is planning the pre-launch event in Dubai, and also the marketplace launch. Philippines office has already been established. Okay, look at the second quarter. They want to introduce the Visa card, an official launch event for the company. What does this mean? It means the company has the good intentions, because normally this second quarter or second item would have been the last one in 2027 for some of most companies. But here the card is coming first. Look at that third quarter, where they say blockchain and AI academy, jackpot pool launch, and remittance card launch. That is what the intention intending to do. And also the fourth quarter of this year, they want to introduce the Crypto Neo Bank. Right. Look at the first quarter of 2026, the online casino is going to be launched. And following that, the token listing, which I love the most as the crypto enthusiast. I love that the most because I want to learn those numbers. When the company start to develop their ledger, it means they have the good intention of making us earn money. Blockchain and DeFi wallet, which is in short, is going to be a smart contract. That's a win again. Look at quarter 4 of 2026. They want to have their own decentralized exchange with high liquidity pool. How does this draw back? If they have their exchanger and also they have the Visa card, it means their blockchain and AI Academy will succeed because they have the token. The token is going to be listed in second quarter 2026, giving me a new enough chance to work this year 2025, so that when it's being launched, we have accumulated much number or a sufficient number that we're going to be needing for the price action. Because tell you what, you can exchange these tokens that you see in your back office, but I will never change mine because I am waiting for the listing. And I'm not going to even wait for the listing. I'm going to wait for the registration of that exchanger, because I know the tokenization will be much more high of the value. Look at 2027. The first quarter, they want to advance the super AI agents. So why won't you be involved with the company that has the 3-year plan? But let's look at how this affiliate program works. It works on the multi-tier structure where you earn commissions from referrals and sub-affiliates. Earning mechanism, the real-time tracking of earnings and network growth. For instance, the company is giving us a straightforward standard rate of the daily yield income. I'm speaking about the daily income where they giving us 0.5 to 0.6 of the daily license yield, where you can earn a same percentage irrespective of how much you contributed. Okay. And also in your direct referrals, you can earn 5 to 10%. And there is a good thing that is called pairing income, where you earn even if you did not wake up. Right. So I believe it will make sense. Let's try and elaborate. The company has the different licenses that you can purchase from, but affording from $100. That could be the minimum. That is the minimum. When you afford yourself $100 worth of the license, it means your direct income, when you refer your own people, you're going to earn 5% of whatever they contribute with. And also pairing income is going to be 10% across everybody. And then the daily yield is 0.5 to 0.6%. What I love is that this company will never reach saturation. What do I mean about that? Because when you reach 3x of your license, when you times or multiply times 3 your own license contribution, it means now you have to recommit again. So tell you what, even if your network is not growing, maybe let's say you have 1,000 membership under your structure, every now and then when their licenses get finished, they will have to renew, and you will forever having that direct income, and also the pairing income is going to be there. Because for you to earn the pairing income, you need to activate 1% on your left and 1% on your right, so that their percentage will match and you strike a good 10% every time there's certain funds that are matching. Okay, afford yourself $250 worth, your direct income will be 6%. But if you bought a license of 500, your direct income is 8%. But look at this. As soon as you afford $1,000, it means you are starting to earn 10% on all the direct income, yet 10% on all pairing income, and also daily yield, and also the maximum yield once you multiply times 3. That is when you have to recommit. But there is this rewards as well, where you work and you rank, and the company starts rewarding you from rank 1 up until rank 10. Imagine rank 10 is dangling 500,000 worth of dollars plus the surprise gift. Right, let's look how to obtain all that. For instance, for you to reach rank 1, you need to have your own personal license that you have purchased from $1,000, and also the pairing income that you have earned for you to score this rank is $1,000. Meaning, since it's 10%, it means you will have to have 10,000 on your left and 10,000 on your right as the sales volume until you earn your 10%, you earn $1,000. Then the company compensates you or gift you a $500 worth of cash reward that is instantly withdrawable in your back office. Remember, you are being charged 5% of the withdrawal fee, and also you have to have a minimum of 20%, of $20 for you to withdraw. So having that $500 as the extra income in cash reward, it means you can withdraw that instantly. Rank 2 requires you to have $3,000 in your own personal license, and also after you've earned $4,000 in your recurring income, the company rewards you $1,500. Rank 3, 5,000 of your own, and after you have earned $10,000, the company starts giving you 2,500. You should have $10,000 worth of the licenses purchased. Doesn't mean you have to be active same time, but in the history, the combination of all your licenses when they reach $10,000, and then after you have the pairing income, which of worth $20,000, means on your left 200,000, on your right 200,000, because that is the 10% of your business. Then the company rewards you with $5,000. But guess what? Should you reach the 5th rank, whereby you have now contributed up to $25,000 for all these other ranks, that is the bare minimum requirement. So rank 5 will give you, after you've earned 40,000, they will give you $10,000. But after you've earned on rank 6, after you've earned $100,000 worth, it means your sales volume is 1 million on your left, 1 million on your right. That's only mean your 10% is 100,000. So you get rewarded $30,000. 7th rank, which is my target, 200,000 worth of your pairing income. It means the company will reward you with $50,000. $50,000 is 1 million rand in my own country. So I can now invest for my children's education, rest of them. Okay. Rank 8, after you have earned 400,000 worth of pairing income, the company will start giving you now 100,000 worth of cash rewards. But after you've earned $1 million worth, the company will reward you $250,000. But after you've earned $2 million, that is where now they say you are earning $500,000 plus the surprise gift. Okay, $500,000 in my country is close to 10 million. So if I get this one, then it means my retirement in network marketing has reached. Right. So, but please note that this pairing income amount indicated present, the cumulative and the reward amount will be automatically credited to your income wallet upon meeting the specified criteria and excluded from the total income capping. That is what I wanted to read you. Remember, on this maximum yield license, when you reach your 3x, your ranking fees are not included here. So this 3x means only direct income, pairing income, and also the daily yield. All that you earn in your ranks is excluded into that times 3x. Right. So the company has the disclaimer where they tell you, please be responsible in your investing, their commitment to you, the understanding of the risks, and they want to move forward with us because they are promising the transparency and support. My plea to you as well is that understand that this is not a financial advice. I'm just sharing this as it is, but we are embracing innovation together, me and you, where we are learning about the AI agents. So by those words, this was the last slide. Let me check if I still have Michael on the call so that I can hand over to him. Thank you so much, Leadership Michael. I hope I was audible all the way through.
All right. Thank you so much, Sir Tabani. That was a fantastic presentation, and I'm so amazed with the GameX AI rewards, which is the rank number 10. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of money, Sir Tabani. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys. Please give Sir Tabani a heart emoji or a like emoji, guys. Go ahead. put some heart emoji, put some clap emoji, guys. All right. So thank you so much, Sir Tabani. That was a fantastic presentation, and I'm sure everyone is excited to learn. And it's my pleasure, sir, to introduce you someone who is amazing leader in South Africa. So thank you so much, Sir Tabani. And guys, our next event, I would like to introduce our CEO of GameX AI. All right. So allow me to introduce our CEO. So his name is Sir Jas. Mr. Jas Wayne is the CEO of GameX, and he is a leader in gaming, AI, and cryptocurrency with over 5 years of experience in casino industry. He blends his deep knowledge of gaming with a strong expertise in blockchain and crypto. Mr. Wayne started his entrepreneurial journey in cryptocurrency, quickly making a name for himself in crypto mining and related ventures. In 2020, he was named as successful young entrepreneur at a major business event in Spain, recognizing his talent for identifying opportunities and turning them into success. Driven by a passion for innovation, Mr. Wayne believes that true success comes from transforming industries and empowering people, not just financial gain. His leadership and vision continue to drive GameX toward new frontiers in gaming crypto. Guys, please give heart emoji to our CEO of GameX AI, Mr. Joe Swain. Sir Joe Swain, go ahead, and the floor is yours, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Michael. You listen me good?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I just live from Dubai and I now in Bulgaria. I'm with another things there with crypto things. Okay. Yeah. Thank you for introducing me. And thank you all people are there now. It's great to be here today. Thank you, Michael, Tabani, and all the incredible leaders of your community. I'm thrilled to see you so many familiar faces. Jennifer, Sophia, Arkin, Sunil, Ningi, and so many others joining us today. And warm welcome to those of you joining to the Zoom call for the first time. Whether you're new on GameX or looking to learn more, we are excited to have you in this journey with us. I have some exciting news to share with you all. Your certificate to auto incorporation has been successful completed, and we are now officially registered under the jurisdiction of Republic of Seychelles. This is a major milestone, and I want to extend huge thank you everyone who has supported us along the way. This is just the beginning of something truly special, and we can't wait to show you what is the next. Also working on launching of GameX branded crypto cards. And as you all know, your vision includes creating your own casino under the GameX umbrella. Your team is hard work on these projects and will be keeping updated every Saturday right here at the same time on the link. Be sure to invite your partners to join us. We will something groundbreaking with GameX AI. And thank you for the support. I look forward to the journey ahead with you and see you next time.
Wow, wow, that was amazing, sir. So, Sir Josh, thank you so much, and that was inspiring, and we're so excited to, to build this business globally, and our leaders in the Philippines. We're so happy and grateful uh, to be part of your company, the Game is AI. And again, we're deeply honored and grateful. Thank you so much, Sir Jazz, and enjoy your weekend.
Thank you.
All right, so thank you so much, sir. All right, so guys, so before we end our call, we do have some sharing here, but first, before I call those leaders in the Philippines to share their journey in GameX AI, first I would like to call one of our brand ambassador. He's the, I love this lady because he's very she's very energetic in Zoom, right? So let's give an applause. Let's welcome Ma'am Jen. Ma'am Jen, the floor is yours, and go ahead.
Hello guys. Oh my god, so amazing. We have so many people here. Hi Michael. Hi Tabani. I can see Oliver. And yes, hello to my favorite Tabani here. Yes. So, yes, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Michael. And wow, Josh, how are you? Yes, Josh was in Dubai,
I'm
and
fine. Now I'm in Bulgaria. In Bulgaria now.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes,
Just leave
yes.
yesterday.
Yes, yes, but we'll catch up soon. We need you in Dubai soon. Yes. So thank you, Josh. See, I mean, Josh came to the picture, and we have the license, guys. Like, wow, I mean, it's incredible. Everybody's asking where's the registration, where's the license, and we have the CEO here, and we have the license. Like, wow, I mean, Josh, you are our GameX lucky charm. And yes, guys, I want to tell you about AI. With GameX, I'm so happy that we are with such a platform. We are the people talking about AI. We are the people, encouraging people to learn more about AI. You understand? Like last year, I was talking about NVIDIA. When I used to give my training sessions, I used to talk about NVIDIA, how important it is for us. But oh my God, you know what happened? ChatGPT came and
I think she lost the connection. No, Michael?
Yes, sir. I think she lost the connection. Yeah. All right. So should I wait her or I'm gonna call the next share? Okay. Um, she lost the connection. So all right, just resume with Ma'am Jenny, and hopefully she will come back. So our next share for tonight, guys. I would like to call out one of our sales managing director in the Philippines. So let's give a warm applause. Ma'am Sophie. Ma'am Sophie from the Philippines. Go ahead, ma'am. Please share
Yes, yes,
your.
yes.
Oh, Ma'am Jenny is
hi,
here.
I'm back. I'm sorry.
Oh, yes.
I think I had. Yes,
We're
so I
just
was
about to
talking
call out.
about NVIDIA and AI and everything. Yeah, I just want to share like 2 minutes, guys. I was using Kini. Okay, it's another AI model from China, and oh my God, it was like if you see, they there you can actually upload files, and Kini will actually analyze the whole Excel sheets for you. And it's not made up information like how ChatGPT has. It is all fresh. They will give you source, they will give you proof, they will give you facts. So guys, we need to go ahead. I mean, we have to learn a lot. So with GameX, I'm sure once the academy comes, we will learn a lot, and we will earn also a lot. So thank you guys, and let's move ahead and learn and earn with GameX. Thank you everyone. So I got to jump out. So see you next week, guys. Bye. Bye.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Jenny. And yeah, I totally agree with you because I'm also using AI. I'm using chatbot for my Instagram marketing, and it's so efficient. Even my Facebook advertising, I'm using and also teaching my team how to use AI. Wow, so it's amazing, and it is our future. The AI is the future. So guys,
Exactly.
I would like to call out Ma'am Sophia. Ma'am Sophia, go ahead, and we're so excited.
Yes, yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Mike Sultan, and to our CEO, thank you very much. Okay, which is I think loud and clear. Narinig ba?
Yes, yes. Yep.
Yes, yes, yes. Sige. Thank you very much, Mike Sultan, and good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
So, I'm Sophia Lim, and first of all, of course, I would like to say thank you to our Team Philippines, and I'm proud of you, to all the leaders, because guys, just 1 week we have sales in more $40,000 in just 1 week. So I'm very proud, Team Philippines. So I hope you continue invite, uh, and then we have also new affiliate member, and also now uh, I want to announce uh, about the about the license already coming, and from Seychelles, guys. And also the events, I want to announce the event, the um, by month, February 22, to our CEO is coming in the Philippines, 22 February 2025. So I hope everyone uh, join us, and thank you very much, guys. And I hope um, all the member is coming by February 22. So with our CEO. Thank you very much. Back to you, Mike Sultan.
Wow, so thank you so much. So we're so excited, and yeah, we're having um,
Okay.
a momentum.
Someone want to share?
Yeah, I would like to call out one of our top
Yes.
leader under Team Alas International, one of the part of core leaders in Cuadro Alas. So let's all welcome.
Yes.
He's going to share his journey in Chemix AI, and he's gonna share some inspiration, guys. So let's welcome, without further ado, Coach Oliver Celeste. Coach Oliver, go ahead and ask to mute. Yeah.
Hi. Hi, good evening, everyone. Okay, thank you so much, Coach Mike Sultan, one of our leader. Very proud of you, brother, and also Coach Tabani. Okay, so good evening. I'm Oliver Celeste from Philippines, one of co-founder and Team Alas International. Okay, today is a very successful event at McDo Pasay, Philippines. So there's so many sign ups. Okay, congratulations everyone. Uh, 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 who make a good decision. Okay. For me, GameX is the best opportunity this 2025. Why? Number one, fastest withdrawal. Okay. Since we started. Yes. Number two, very transparent and unique company. Yes. Number three, very good management. Don't miss out. Okay. And to all the leaders and coaches, uh, thank you for guiding. See you on the top. Back to you, Coach Mike and Sir Tabane.
Wow, wow. Thank you so much, Coach Oliver. We're so proud of you, and we honor your leadership here in Gaming sa
And
AI
also
Philippines.
to our beloved CEO, Coach Joswin, we are all excited to see you in the Philippines this February 2025. Hello, sir. Brother Mike.
Yeah. So thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much, and we're so proud of you as well. And congratulations for the smooth sailing and ease and flow. Gaming's AI Philippines. Right now, we're so excited to build this business. And guys, we still have more share. Please stay until the end. So I would like to call out one of our sharer. He is engineer by profession, and he is the co-owner of the Erling company. And I was so amazed with him because I was learning with him about AI because they're applying AI in their company. So let's welcome, without further ado, uh, Sir Coach Nandi. Coach Nandi, go ahead. The floor is yours.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone around the world. So thank you so much, Coach Michael Sultan, to having an opportunity to share this Zoom. And also thank you so much to our President and CEO, Joe Swain, sir. Good morning, good evening. And of course, our Sir Tabani, thank you so much. Um, Let us share my journey here in Gaming AI. You know, this is amazing opportunities. The Gaming AI, when there's a lot of people, they have great opportunity because Gaming AI is so amazing. Our daily yield, our uh, our referrals, and our pairing. Oh, that's very amazing, guys. So in in my journey here in Gaming AI, it is almost 3 months. It is almost 3 months, and our team. So guys, we have on sales in the left side is almost 134,000 US dollars in 3 months. And it is almost 10,000 or 11,000 US dollars in the right side. So guys, there's a lot of people. They saw the big opportunities someday. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. This is the unlocking the future. Very amazing, our company. So guys, let us pray our company in the long journey, and long term, our company. And thank you so much to all owners of Gamix AI. They gave an opportunity to people around the world. Thank you so much, sir. So more power, all affiliates. Keep up the good work and continuous sales, big sales in our company. So, and welcome to our owners in the Gaming AI here in the Philippines on this coming February 22. Thank you, sir. So that's all, Coach Mike. Back to you.
Wow, wow. 100,000 on the left and 10,000 on the right. And that's kachings. That's dollars income. So congratulations, Coach Nandi, and we're so proud of you and hoping for more blessings to come in Gaming AI Philippines and to all the other countries who are doing Gaming AI. So thank you so much, Coach Nandi, and I'll see you soon. So guys, we still have three more leaders gonna share their Gaming AI journey. So I would like to call out Coach Peter from Team Philippines. Coach Peter, go ahead, share your journey in Gaming AI. Go ahead, bro. You can unmute yourself.
Okay. Uh, Good evening and good day all over the world. Gamix EI. My name is Peter Scultor from Philippines. I'm former employee and now I'm doing Gamix EI. First of all, I thank God for this kind of company, GameX AI. I would like to thank my direct sponsor, the founder of Tembless version 2.0, none other than my direct upline and direct sponsor, Michael Sultan. Okay, thank you, bro. Good evening and good day all over the world. And now, second, I would like to thank to all my leaders and my new affiliates. The founder of Templace, Mike Sultan, is the generous leader here in the Philippines. More dollars to come, bro. And this journey of my... Okay, we have the time. Okay. Please allow me to share my journey in the GameX AI in my last 3 months experience. Guys, my earnings in last 3 months, guys, I'm very thankful to earn a $920 in just 3 months. Now, I'm very thankful because I earned $920 in just 3 months. This is that's a dollar, guys, not piso. You can earn a dollar here in the Philippines. Wow, it's very, very thankful because I'm here in the Philippines, but you earn a dollar. Now I'm doing the business every day, 1 hour or 2 hours to share every day my friends and my relatives. I encourage to all certified affiliate in the GameX AI to share. Don't shy because everyone, if you are, we have the license in GameX AI, you can earn 0.5 up to 0.6%. Can you imagine, guys? Every day you can earn a dollar every day. Wow, it's very amazing. Now, I'm very thankful, my grand upline coach Michael Sultan, and thank you to all attendees this night, to all certified affiliate. Just remember our slogan here in the Philippines: GameX AI is the future. Remember that GameX AI is our future. Wow. Thank you to all attendees here. 63 attendees. Thank you and more power. Thank you, our Team Philippines managing director, Ma'am Sophie. Thank you for support, and our CEO, Josh Wayne. Thank you, sir. And more power, and God bless everyone. Thank you. Back to you, upline coach Michael Sultan.
Wow, that's amazing. Coach Peter, congratulations, and we're so proud of you, and
This is the
your
first
team
time.
is growing. It's okay. Yeah, we're so proud of you, bro, and more power and more blessings and more sales, no, this February. So we're so proud of you, bro. And your English is not bad. So guys, we still have to share for tonight. I would like to call one of our role model, our, we call her the Mommy Lot. Yeah. She's a very amazing leader in the Philippines. And without further ado, I would like to call out Coach Mamilot. Coach Mamilot, go ahead, and the floor is yours.
Yes, hello. Good evening,
Hello.
everyone. Can you hear me? Coach Mike?
Yes, Mami.
Hello, hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, clear.
Okay, thank you so much for having me here. It's my pleasure and my great pleasure to be here. This is my first time to appear in this international Zoom. Thank you so much for our managing director, Madam Sophia, for giving me an opportunity to share our success here in our international Zoom. And thank you so much. And hello to our CEO, Mr. Josh Wayne, who's very handsome. Okay. And also to our to our speaker, Mr. Tabani, to Miss Jennifer, and to all people here in GMX AI. Sorry, my voice is not good because I don't have enough sleep. It's my we just came back from the long travel, from a long travel. We have been staying in the provinces for 2 weeks, half month. We've been travel from Manila to um to Ifugao, and that is 9 to 10 hours drive going to that place just to make a sales for the whole team to support all the leaders in Ifugao. So we have been travel from Baguio, Nueva Vizcaya, Isabela, a lot of mountains we have been um, visiting, supporting all the leaders. Shout out to all of Ifugaoñeños. Hello to all the top leaders in Ifugao. Hi, hello, congratulations. And you know what, guys? Um, I'm so happy to announce in 2 weeks' time, we've been traveling for the month of January 2025. Victory Elite Empire under the team of Alas International with the leadership of Coach R. King, with the leadership of Coach Oliver, and with the leadership of Coach Mike Sultan, and of course, with Madam Sophia. Victory Elite Empire was able to produce 6 rank 1 leaders and 1 rank 2 leaders in span of 1 month, doing the hard work, doing this business full time. We are focused creating result. We are focused to promote GameX AI here in the Philippines worldwide. I want to share my screen. Coach Mike Sultan, can you please make a co-host of this screen, the mommy coach, the other account here. This one.
1 moment,
Okay.
mommy.
Can you please make this? I want to
I
share
don't have the
something.
access.
You don't have the access?
The host is the one who have the
Who
access.
is the host? I want to share. No, not this
GameX.
one.
The GameX.
Okay. I want to share not this one. The other account, because I have 2 account using in this Zoom webinar. I want to share some of the pictures, some of the congratulation templates for those leaders who rank 1 and 2. This one. Can you please make this a host?
All right, so 1 moment. I'm gonna call out the GameX host. Can
Who
you
is
please
the GameX host?
make
The
Mommy
other one,
Coach
the Mommy Coach.
as
I have
a
2
co-host?
accounts here. The one is
Yeah.
Mommy Coach Lot, and the other one is Mommy Coach. Can
So
you
let's
please
wait.
make this co-host?
1 moment, please.
Okay, thank you. Hello? Who is the host? The host.
Ma'am Sophie, who is the doing the hosting right now. And it's GameMix, but I'm not sure if who is this account. I
It's
mean,
okay. It's okay. Let me share this slide. Okay, let me share this slide.
wait
Only
lang
the
daw.
host can share this meeting. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, thank you so much. By the way, okay, good. Okay, let me share this slide. For the past 1 month, we made the day, we made it night. Okay, we focus on doing this business very hard, and I want you guys, and I'm very proud to say, guys, you can see this. This is Rene Cajelo from the Philippines. He is ranked 1 in GameX AI Philippines. This is Raya Baroga, the second ranked 2 leaders of GameX AI Philippines under Team Alas International, under my team, Elite Victory Elite Empire. This is Marcelino Domingo, the very fresh one. The very fresh one before we came home, before we came back here in Manila just yesterday, he ranked 1 together with her wife, Miss Domingo, their family. They are 3 members in the family, and the son is now hitting the rank 1. Maybe one of these days, by next week, their son, okay, will be hitting the rank 1 rank 1 status. And this is Ferdinand Espe, the mentor, Engineer Espe, who also got ranked as rank 1. And also, the man of AI in Norte, one of my top leader, one of my trusted leader here in the Philippines, Ricky Cesar. Last November, me and Ricky Cesar planned, and together with the uplines, together with Engineer Espe, together with my husband, Dr. Hamias, we decided to let Ricky Cesar go to the province in Norte to make to build and create a big network together with those leaders. And this one, Mr. Chito Condiam, he is a teacher by profession. This guy, he is a pastor. Together with the leaders, together with these people, together with our hardship, commitment, together with our heart to help a lot of people, a lot of affiliates to earn passive and active income. We teach them, we educate them about how GameX AI produce passive income and active income. And because of this handsome CEO. And this one, we have created a lot of events in Norte. This is one this afternoon. Thank you so much. This is the
Wow,
product. This is the
amazing.
product of commitment. This is the product of good leadership. This is a product of integrity. This is a product of honest dealing with a lot of people. We are able to create a lot of leaders who will create a lot of network, not only in the Philippines, but all over the world. And I'm very proud of those people who joined GameX AI, who joins our team. Thank you so much for the leaders. Ifugao, you are the best. Actually, uh, actually, guys, we are excited to come back here in Manila, but we are planning to come back again in Norte because there's a lot of people waiting for us. And some of the investors in the Norte in Ifugao, they are offering business hub for free just to have our own office, just to have our own hub in the province because they are very much willing to do this business. So thank you so much for for the unending support, Madam Sophia, because we cannot do this alone. We cannot do these things alone without your good leadership. And to Cuadro Alas, thank you so much. And to the CEO, to the owners of GameX AI, thank you for being a good blessing. This GameX AI help a lot of people to earn. And now they can buy what they want. They can pay their debts. They can they can give good education to their children because of the income that GameXA is giving to a lot of people. Thank you so much, guys. I don't have much time. My heart is it's so happy, to announce to share our journey, and I want also to share to you how far Manila is to this province. This is the last. We've been traveling mountains just to educate people about the AI, the artificial intelligence. Traveling 9 hours to 10 hours just to share the opportunity to a lot of people. Guys, again, this is your mommy coach, Lot de Guzman, always saying, wash yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. God bless and stay healthy, everyone. Thank you so much, Coach Mike. Back to the.
Wow, congratulations, Mami Coach, and to all the leaders in Ifugao. So we're so proud of you guys, and you deserve the success, the results, because you really work hard. You sacrifice your family just to build this amazing business as well. So thank you so much for sharing your journey, and we're so proud of you, Mami Coach, and congratulations, and more blessings to come. And hey guys, before we end our call, well, we do have our last sharer for tonight. So he's the founder of Team Alas International, and let's welcome Coach Arking. Coach Arking, go ahead, and the floor is yours.
Yes, Coach Mike. Uh, are you there? Coach Mike?
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you so much, Coach Mike, for would like to calling me. And first of all, my name is Arkin Leto. So very amazing guys, and thank you so much, our CEO, President and CEO, Sir Joswen, and our presenter tonight, Tabani. Sir, thank you so much. And I also, of course, Ma'am Jennifer, and of course, our Managing Director of Philippines, Ma'am Sophia Lim. So, and to all leaders in the Philippines, under Team Alas International, Coach Mami Coach, very amazing and hardworking lady, queen of lady, no? Lady Alas, ayan. So, creating a 6 rank 1 and one rank 2, no? So, very amazing guys, and I'm very proud of you, to all leaders in the Philippines under Team Alas International. Of course, to our Coach Mike Sultan, okay? Under Team Alas International is creating a team again, Team Bless 2.0. Okay? To to our co-founder, Coach Oliver Celeste. So to all leaders here in the Philippines, I would like to thank you, and I'm very excited to coming days, weeks, month, no? So now proven the company is GameX is very legitable, and coming soon. Our CEO is coming in the Philippines. See you soon, Sir Josh Wayne. No, I'm very excited to selfie, and because you're handsome, it's like me. Okay, so guys, this amazing opportunity in GameX AI, because uh, uh, to all new members, so full hard work, and of course to not members, no, you decide to join in Gimmicks AI, because Gimmicks AI is very amazing company, and then uh, incredible, no. This is a platform, we have a daily income passive, no. So what do you want, just do it, no. uh, okay, so thank you guys, and all everyone, no. So keep in touch, see you soon, and hard work, okay. Invite, share the opportunity, and continues to share the opportunity, many to people to help them, and guys, very amazing, and see you soon in Philippine, uh, first event in the Philippines, and soon in Dubai. Okay, thank you so much, and God bless, and back to you, Coach Mike.
Wow. So thank you so much, Coach King. We're so proud of you, and thank you for being a good leader in Team Philippines. So guys, we're almost done. And before we sign out our Zoom meeting, please let's have a selfie. All right. Are you guys ready? Let's have a selfie, and please open your camera. Go ahead, guys. And let's give a power of momentum. And this is our moment. And you have to claim your blessings. And 2025 is the year of the breakthrough. More blessings, more money to come, more millions to come in GameX AI family. Come on, guys. Go ahead and let's do a screenshot and smile. Yan. Sa Tagalog, huwag mo nang sumimangot kasi pag nakasimangot ka, wala kang pera. Alright? Okay. So let's count 1, 2, 3, guys. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay. How many pages? We have 2 pages. 3 pages. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Smile. One more thing. 1, 2, 3. Smile. All right. Thank you so much, guys. And again, I would like to say thank you to our CEO, Sir Josh Wayne, and our amazing speaker from South Africa, the great leadership, Mr. Tabani. Sir, thank you so much. We're so proud of you, sir, and hope to see you soon in Manila. And to all our leaders in the Philippines, in Ifugao, in Zamboanga, in Canada, in Spain, in Japan. So congrats everyone. So let's build this company. Let's build an amazing team. And congratulations again. And to Ma'am Sophia, thank you so much for your great leadership in the Philippines. So thank you for your support, and Coach King, and to all our leaders and also my leaders, Team Blessed 2.0. So I'm so proud of you guys, and I wish you all the best and more blessings, more money to come, and more millions. Sir Aurelio, so we also acknowledge you here, sir. So see you soon, sir, in February 22nd. And that's it for today, guys. God bless everyone, and see you soon. See you in this coming Saturday again. Bye, guys. Happy weekend.